Here I have ARCHOS Diamond Gamma, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all you have to go to settings, then you have to go to the launcher section, wallpaper. Here you can select some of the presets, system wallpapers. You can also put an image from your gallery if you have one. I don't have any images on my phone, then I just going to select one of the presets. Let's select this one, for example. Then you have to select if you want to set it on lock screen or if you want to set it as a wallpaper, and then you just tap on apply. Now you have to select if you want to set it on for launcher or for lock screen or for both. And that's it. As you can see, it's set successfully. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.